idea one. Fum.
Hi, me, teacher.
Hello. And cartoon 2, are you here? No? Okay.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. Okay, everyone. Let's start. Oh, good afternoon, everyone. Are we feeling happy?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher, me number 10.
Number 2, Hanwa?
Number 10. Of.
10.
Of.
Okay. Thank you. So let's recap. We have been looking at decimal numbers. Last week we looked at rounding. Okay. So can you remember if we had 4.7, what would we do? Do we round up to 5 or down to 4?
Up to 5.
Yay, good. Okay, next. This time we have 7.3. What do we?
Down to 7.
Very good. Down to 7. Well remembered. This time 14.5. What do we do?
Up 15.
Up to 15. Good. Well remembered, everyone. Okay, today, our vocabulary. Let's see. First word.
Multiply.
Multiply. Good. Multiply. Okay. Next word, we should know. What does it say?
Decimal.
Decimal.
Good. Decimal. Next.
Decimal point.
Point.
Good. Decimal point. Okay. It shows us where the decimal starts. Next.
100.
100.
100.
Good. Hundreds. Very good.
10.
10.
10.
Good. Tenth. Tenth. And last of all,
Whole number.
Whole number.
whole number. That is the number to the left of the decimal point. Okay? So today, we are looking at multiplication of decimals. Okay? Multiplication of decimals. So, we were going to have a decimal number and we're going to multiply by a single digit, okay? A whole number. So here, my multiplication is 2.7 multiply by 4, okay? The way we do it, we use our multiplication method here, okay? So we would write 2.7 times or multiply by 4, okay? 7, we start with the tenths here. So 7 multiplied by 4 is how many? 7 multiplied by 4.
10.8.
28. Good. So we put the 8 in the tenths column. And the 2, can you see here?
Yes.
Okay, goes here, so 28. Next, we do 2 multiplied by
4.
which equals
8.
8. But
Plus
we need
2.
to plus 2, which is
10.
10. Very good. And you need to be careful to put the decimal point. Can you see? Back in place. So what is the answer to our multiplication? Can you see? What is the answer?
10.8.
Good, 10.8. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to watch a video that explains our multiplication of decimals, okay? Here we go. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, good. So watch and listen, okay? Here is our sum. 6.3 multiplied by 5.
We're going to multiply a decimal by a single whole number. To start with, you look at the decimal that you're multiplying. 6 3/10 times 5. Now, 6 3/10 has more digits. It has 2 digits. So the number with the most digits is going to go in the top of our multiplication problem, just as if they were whole numbers. Now, don't forget to add that decimal in there.
Okay, so you see we start with our decimal at the top, 6.3.
Now I'm multiplying by 5, so I put that below my 3, noticing I don't have to line up my decimals when I multiply. And then I begin the multiplication problem just like I have always done before. 3 times 5 is 15, so we need a 5, and we're going to carry a 1.
Okay, so first we did 3 times 5, which was
Equal 15.
15. Good.
5.
So 5 here, and we
And
carry
1 here.
the 1. Okay.
Then I multiply 6 by 5. I guess.
What is 6 times 5? 6 multiplied by 5.
30.
30. Good. And you need to add the
1.
good, which will be
Equal 31.
good. Let's see.
30. I add 1, I get 31. Now I do not need to carry again, so I'm just going to put 31 in. Now the answer.
So the answer, is it 315?
No.
What is missing?
Point.
The decimal point. Good. Thank you.
The answer is not 315. We need to go back into the math problem and figure out where the decimal is. The decimal exists 1 unit to the left of the 3. So in my answer, I start at the end of the problem, and I'm going to go 1 unit left. So we've gone from 1 unit, and we're going 1 unit here as well. So the answer is 31 and 5/10. Let's try another one. 0.289, or 289 thousandths, times 3. 3 is my whole number, so once again, whoops, excuse me. We're going to move the 3, and we're going to put it on the second line. My 9 starts on my right. I put my 8 in, my 2, my decimal place, and my 0. And then I start my math problem just like before. Starting on the right, 9 times 3.
Okay, so we start here. 9 multiplied by 3. What is it? 9 times 3. How many?
27.
Good. 27.
3 is 27. So I write a 7 and I carry a 2.
Okay, next, what do we do now?
74. 76.
8 times
26.
good 20. So 8 times 3. 24 plus the 2. Yes? Yes, good.
I repeat the problem. 8 times 3 is 24.
Good.
Plus 2 is 26.
Good job.
So I need a 6. And since I have more numbers, I need to put a 2 up above the 2 that already exists that I haven't multiplied by.
Okay. So now we need to do 2 multiplied by 3.
6.
Good. Plus 2 equals
8.
8. Very good.
2 times 3 is 6. 7 and 8, so that is an 8. 0 times 3 is 0. Now I have to count in to figure out how many decimal places I need to go over from right to left. So I have 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So in my answer, I start on the right. I go 1, 2, 3 decimal places as well, which means my decimal is going to be in front of the 8.
Okay, so our answer 0.867. Yes? Good.
My answer in my math problem is 867 thousandths.
Good. Okay. Do you understand? Yes?
Yes.
Let's continue. So, here we have got some examples. So, it says, what is 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3? Okay? This is the same as 0.3 multiplied by 3. Okay? So here, can you see in the orange dots, we have got 0.3 times 3. Okay? It gives us an answer of 0.9. Okay? So we have 3, 6, 9. Okay? 9/10, which is 0.9. Okay? If we were looking at 300ths, 0.01, okay, 0.03 times 3, our answer is 0.09, okay? The decimal point is very important. And the same, if we wanted to do 3 thousandths, or 0.003 multiplied by 3, our answer would be 9 thousandths, or 0.009. okay? It's very important we put our decimal point back into the sum, okay? Okay, here. Oh, let me cover up. Let's see. So we have a question. There are 4 bottles of orange juice, okay? Each bottle contains 0.4 liters of orange juice. How much orange juice is there all together? So do we need to add or multiply? What do you think?
multiply,
Multiply, good. So we can do 0.4 multiplied by 4, okay? So first, 4 times 4 is how many?
16.
Good, 16. You put your 6 here and carry the 1. 0 times 4
0,
plus,
1 equal 1,
good. So our answer is
1.6,
good, thank you. 1.6, very good, liters of orange juice all together. Okay. Here, we have to find the product. That means the answer of 0.25 and 5. So we are going to multiply. First, we multiply the hundredths column. So we do 5 times
5,
equals,
25,
good, easy, 25, good job. Then we look at the tenths column, which is this one. There are 2 tenths. 2 times 5 equals,
10,
plus the,
plus 2 equal 12,
very good, thank you. So carry the 1 and we put 2 here. The final step is to multiply the ones. So 0 times 5 equals,
0,
0, good. Plus 1,
1,
yay, good job. So the product of 0.25 and 5 is 1.25.
5,
Yes? Does everyone understand?
yes,
Yes? Okay. Can you find page 12 in your book? Page 12. Do you have it?
yeah,
Thank you. Everyone got the page 12? So, can you try? The first one. A. 0.02 multiplied by 3. Have a go.
0.06,
Very good. Thank you. Next one. 4 times 0.43. Let's try on here. So 0.43 times 4. Okay, first 4 times 3.
12.
Good. 12. So we put 2. We carry the 1. Okay. 4 times 4. Anybody?
16.
Good. Plus 1 is
17.
good. So 1 is carried and the 7 goes here. Okay, let me ask, T, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, 0 times 4
0.
plus 1?
1.
1, good. T, where do we put the decimal point? We put it between 1 and
0.72.
good. 1.72 should be our answer. Okay. Look again. Oh. Next question. Check. This one. 8 multiplied by 74.08. Okay. You try. Have a go. Okay. 24.08 multiply by 8. So first, let me ask. 4, are you there? Four. Idea 1, are you there? Manao, are you there? Kawan? Oh. Kawan, are you there?
$64.
No? Okay. How about hot pong? Do you want to try? Hot pong?
Yeah.
Yes, can you try? What is 8 times 8? 8 multiplied by 8. know? 8 multiplied by 8 equals
8 multiplied by 8 equal
60.
64
Yay, good. 60. Thank you. 4. Very good. Okay. So next we do 0 multiplied by 8. Equals how many?
0
0 plus
6
6 equals. Very good. Thank you. 6. Okay, now 4 multiplied by 8. 4 multiplied by 8 equals. Who can tell me? 4 times 8.
32
32. Good. 32. Next. 7 times 8. 7 times 8. How many? Anybody know?
56
56. Good. Plus 3 equals
57
50.
59
Okay. We need to put our decimal point. Okay. Our answer should be 592.64. Yes? Let's check. Good. Okay. Write down your answer. Okay, last one. 4.21 multiplied by 5. Let's try. 4.21 multiply by 5. Okay. What do we think, everyone?
5
1 times 5 is 5. Good. 2 times 5.
10
10. Carry the 1. 4 times 5.
20
20 plus 1 equals.
21
Good. And we need to put our decimal point. 1, 2. Here. So what is our answer? What is our decimal?
21.0
0.5. Very good. Let's check on our PowerPoint. Ooh. Let's look. Was it right? Yes. Good job. Okay, in your book, can you check your work? Write the answer. Okay. Then turn to page 13. Okay? We have done lots of practice now of how to multiply decimals. So now I'm going to give you 4 minutes, okay? Can you do the multiplications in your book? Okay? So 4 minutes. Try these questions in your book. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, off you go. Write your answers in your book. Okay, 2 more minutes to complete page 13. Okay, right, let's look at the answers. Question A, did anybody get the answer? 2.7 multiplied by 4 equals How many was your answer? 10.8, did you say? Good. Your answer should be 10.8. Okay, B. 5.8 multiplied by 6 equals. Did anybody get the answer? Eight times 6 is 42. 5 times 6, 30 plus 4, 34.8 should be your answer. Did you get it right?
Yes.
Good, okay. C, what was your answer?
4.
4.16.
Good, thank you. 4.16. And D.
30.980.
Well done, very good. Okay, for E.
39.6.
Good, well done. F. You should have done this working. 18.46 multiplied by 7. 6 times 7 is 42. 4 times 7 plus 4, 32. 8 times 7 plus 3, 59. 1 times 7 plus 5 is 12. So you should have got 129.22. Okay. G, did anybody get the answer?
130.27.
Good, well done. H, did anybody get this one?
352.557.
Very good, thank you. Nearly there. I, what was our answer?
15.378.
Very good. And the last one, J.
227.187.
Wow, good job. Very good, everyone. How did you do? Did you do well? Yes? Or not sure? You do good?
Yes.
Well done. Okay, close your books. Good job. And to finish, we are going to listen to a song, okay? Really good work today. Okay, ready? Listen and watch.
When you're multiplying decimals, you must do. When you're multiplying decimals, you must do. Yes, well, first you ignore the decimal, multiply like normal, then you spin your decimal place too.
Okay, so first we multiply 2 and 5. It gives us how many? 2 times 5.
10.
10. Next, 3 times 5
15.
plus 1.
16.
Hey, thank you.
Yes, well, first you ignore the decimal.
1 times 5 is 5 plus 1.
10.
It's good.
Multiply like normal, then you then your decimal places
Okay. Okay, well done today, everyone. You did really good multiplying. Okay. So I will see you next time. Thank you for listening. Good job, everyone. Goodbye.
Thank you, teacher.
Really good listening. Thank you. See you next time.